Hello guys, Tim here again for a new tutorial, and today I'm gonna be teaching how can you download Shadow Warriors 3 for PC. I'm sharing this game actually because I really like. It was have quite good feedback and everything, but it was really because I really like the game and I decided to share with you guys. It's a game actually, if you have the money you should buy. It's an indie company, developer company, so they are still growing guys, and they deserve it, and they really did a masterpiece. The game, like the prequels in the series, the first person shooter, and you perhaps already know. And before diving how can you download Shadow Warrior 3 for PC, I'm just gonna give a quick introduction about this game. You will control Lo Wang, which you will have a large arsenal of firearms to defeat the enemies, and you can have katana as well for close combat quarters, and you can use the execute for wounded enemies at close range. And you, as progressing on the game, you'll receive new weapons and new gadgets, and that will help you in the comment, and they will be unlocked by the time the player reaches the midpoint of the campaign. And there will be more linear levels and more streamlined upgrade system compared to the Shadow Warrior 3, and the rest we'll see by ourselves. I don't want to give you a big spoiler of the game. All you need is to have this file here called Shadow Warrior 3 downloader. This file will download and crack the full game for you guys. So to have this file, you're going to open your browser and you are going to skyofgames.com. Right now at the point I'm doing this tutorial, I found it on the page 2, but you can find on the page 3 or something. It depends when are you watching. You are going to click here, Shadow Warrior 3 download PC plus crack. You are going to click here, sorry, and this is where you can download the game, but the first thing I recommend you to do is check the requirements. Make sure PC can download the game, so you don't have any problems during the gameplay or during the installation or something, because it can cause some heating problems on your computer and can damage any specs. So after you checking, or if you don't know how to check, you can always check, leave on the comments or something your specs, and we can give a feedback about it, if it works or not. After that, you are going to click here download Shadow Warrior 3, and you are going to get here this file. So here you are going to write Sky of Games. It must be all lowercase, necessary is to be online. If it's offline because the crack is not working anymore or they are in some type of update. And this is connecting, make sure you have internet connection, but since you are watching this video, most likely not to be a big problem. Sorry guys, I'm just going to drink water. So this is where the game will be installed. The game is quite big, I'm not really sure, but I think it's like 30 gigabytes or something. We will check at the end of this video. If you guys want to check it out, I recommend you passing to the end of this video to check how really much space you need to have the game on your computer. If you have space on C, good enough space on C, I can recommend you install games on C. Just click on next and the game will be installed. But in my case, I really don't have space on C, so I really have to change this. Not even on D I have space, so I'm gonna change this to E. And I'm gonna not leave like this because it makes sense. I create all of this, so I'll just do Shadow Warrior 3. I will keep like this simple for the video. If you change the path, make sure it's valid. You have the slash, the everything, the all character is good. Sorry guys, otherwise it will not work. So now I'm gonna click next. So as I told you, the game can be between 20 to 30 gigabytes, or even more than 30 for sure. And it will take me like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half download full game, and I'm not going to show everything, otherwise the video will be super long. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back once it's really almost finished. I'll see you guys. And guys, I'm back. So as I said, Shadow Warrior 3 download and installation finished. A short should be on your desktop to start playing the game. Thanks, and visit our website for more game. So as you guys can see, download installation are finished. We can already see a shortcut to run the game, but I'm not going to run the game here on this tutorial guys, because the game by default is on full screen, and Camtasia cannot record full screen games. It will crash and stop the video. But if you know any other better softwares like Bandicam or something, because I tried Fraps and it just recorded like 30 seconds, and actually I tried Bandicam too and it was not very good quality. I had to pay a lot. So if you guys know anything better, at least for free or something that can make right, I'll be very happy to check it out so I can make a new gameplay showing you a new video actually showing a gameplay so you guys can trust me. But if you guys don't believe, you can always don't do this because I understand your situation. I'm just helping some people that want to play the game. So let's see the folder of the game to see how much space you guys need. As I told you before, this is the folder where we install the game, and you need to have at least 32 gigabytes. So I recommend at least like 40 or 35. I recommend 40 of course, so you really don't run into problems. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's really working. If you guys don't believe it, just message me and I can prove they will run. I'll be very happy to show you, and hope to see you guys on the next tutorial. So bye guys, enjoy and have fun.